that bubble show me, you know.
So when we in a fist, when black it in there, no.
Take the whole light in my chest plate.
And that's the thing I could do. I thought I could do. What are the boy in face, so? And give one of them for. Hey, I'm not lie, but talk truth. You know, me and Tony beat him good enough. Let's go. So, wait a second. Back clip. Yeah. Ah. 5. So what me I talk about? Come go inside. Go on, me talk up your bag.
She alright?
She fine. She alright, Tony. Go on, just go and watch a shot. How long you feel them pain here, 5?
Not really long, you know, about a week now.
A week? That's a 7 days. And it's 24 hours make a day.
Bubbles, I can't do maths.
You say anything to Shoppy? You mad?
Aye, try something to him. Cause you say the other day I go for do me ear. You know what Shoppy do? Shoppy drive, come on the ear just and sit down and just stare at me. And every woman pull me ear, him complain. Aye, trying to do it too hard. Oh, don't drive. Why it look so tight? I remember my friend, I say, Shoppy, when I'm done, I call if I come from my back. I can't take Friday. Next thing I go tell him and him be the doctor himself. You know, so the other day I come here, the teddy bear have a kerchief, like nappy. You say my practice.
Lord Jesus, 5, take time with him now. A first time father. So you know him gonna be a friend, him gonna be like you're fragile. Just sit with him. More importantly, you got a doctor? Five. Really? You don't know what kind of pain you feel. You don't know where can I go on inside this, so you need to go check the doctor.
Well, but sometimes I just feel like a gas. I'm gonna just drink some hot tea, come into the pain and go away.
5. You got a doctor and find out that you're pregnant, right?
Yeah.
Right. That means say a little wanna grow inside of you. So whatever little pain you feel, it means you need to go to a doctor go check it out.
Alright.
5. Me serious.
Won't go.
And if you not go, me go tell Shoppy.
You want me a friendship, bro?
I feel your betterment. I care less if our friendship mash up. I feel your betterment.
I don't want this like you see.
That have nothing to do with me. Yeah. You called me the other day and asked me if I'm at the house. And you never turn up. What happened now?
What the address?
Alright. Me check it later. Cool. Five? Yeah, alright?
I feel like it worse. I can't move almost.
Take your time. What time is it? Five.
Alright. Your mom will go just run off the shop now. Bubbles, she alright? Yeah man, she alright. She